Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Webflow pricing and how much does it cost to build a Webflow website from scratch or using a template. My name is Ashok, I'm a Webflow and Wix Studio certified developer at Twig Designs. I specialize in creating high quality website templates. Hi, so when it comes to calculating the development cost of a Webflow website or any website, right, you have to calculate it from domain, hosting, and then other expenses that you have to make, right? Then you calculate the whole cost of your website development from scratch, right? So let's talk about the domains first. Here, I'm on my GoDaddy site. I love GoDaddy because I have most of my domains on GoDaddy and they have very good prices compared to other providers and it's very secure, right? So you can find your domain, enter your domain and look for, let's say, CMS themes. So they will have options like .com, cmstheme.com, shop, live, ai.co.in. So all these domains depends on this .shop or .live.com, right? On that one, it will depend. Let's say here cmsthemes.com, it's like dollar 0.01 cents for first year and only with 3 years term. You have to buy it for 3 years term, then you can get this domain, right? For the first year they will charge you this, but for the next 2 years and plus taxes, it depends on your. For us in India, I'm in India, so they have different taxes and they have different pricing for Indians, right? So you have to start with the domain, get your domain first, and then if you already have a domain, if you already have a website and you already have hosting, right, then you don't have to worry about this step, right? You can directly jump onto the Webflow pricing section. It's given in the chapter here, so you can jump into that one. But here you have to start with the domain if you are starting a new business and don't have anything, if you're starting from scratch, right? So next thing is you have to decide what you want. You want a template or you want any agency or a freelancer to work on your website. Freelancers, mostly we charge you under 50 USD if you are looking in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, all these countries, right? But if you're looking for freelancer in let's say USA, Australia or UK, the pricing would be above $50, right? Because they have this, the cost of living is high there, so that's why they are charging way much, right? But in India or Bangladesh or Pakistan, the pricing would be under 50 USD for freelancers. Or if you are looking for, let's say, a template and then you want to customize it yourself, you can do it yourself. But if you need your template to customize from an agency, right, so they will take care of everything for you. You have to just provide your brand guideline to the agency and they will make the website as per your brand guidelines. Let's say fonts, colors and the imagery and everything they will take care of, and the cost would be around 500 USD to 1000 USD per website, right? It depends what kind of website you have and how many pages you have to customize. Now after template, if you want like a custom development from scratch, you want the design and you want the development of the website from scratch, then the pricing would be different. Again, for the agencies, if you go with agencies, the pricing would be different. If you go with the freelancers, the pricing would be different. You can find good freelancers on Upwork, Freelancer or Fiverr. But if you need a agency, expert agency, then you can go to Webflow expert page and you can find the good agencies in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh or USA or UK and Australia or New Zealand. It's up to you which country you are looking for. If you are looking for local businesses, then you can also find those based on the matchmaking system that Webflow has on its expert page, right? So for us, let's say if you want us to build your 5 to 10 page website including CMS in Webflow, then only development it would cost you around 3000 to 8000 USD. But it depends the complexity and the requirements of your website, right? But if you want it with the design plus development, then it would be like 5,000 to 10,000 USD, but mostly within 8,000 USD with design and development. Anyone can give you in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or it might be lesser also, right? Let's say 2,000 or 3,000 USD. There are agencies which can help you with that one. With design, they will do the design in Figma, and then they will develop it in Webflow with animations, responsiveness, SEO optimization. You have to take care of all those things when they are doing it, right? So after they deliver it to you, you don't have to worry about again for your website, because once you go to any agency, SEO agency, they will check all these items, if the pages are SEO optimized or not, if it's covering the core web vitals or not, all these things that you have to take care of, right? So go with agency, freelancer, it's up to you, but that would be the cost for custom development with design and development, or only the development for your website. So that's it for this template one and the domain one. Now let's move into the Webflow pricing, the main pricing of Webflow. So I'm here on the Webflow pricing page. You can check out this page after the video or during the video also if you want. It depends up to your website requirements which plan you need, right? But mostly for our clients, we suggest them to go with the CMS plan in Webflow, because we might be using blogs, we might be using team members, all those are coming from the CMS, means coming dynamically from the database of Webflow, which you can use easily to your pages, and your editor can use it very easily without any technical knowledge required, right? So let's talk about this general pricing and then e-commerce pricing. If you're looking to build an e-commerce website, then this pricing will help you. Here, site pricing, free, right? If you want to try out Webflow and want to see if it's easy for you to work with, if you are a solopreneur, or if you are just, let's say, 3 or 5 people member of team, then just try out Webflow. If you're coming from WordPress or Wix or Squarespace or GoDaddy website builder, right? Let's just try it with 2 pages, and then they give you 20 CMS collections. Here you will have webflow.io domain. You can't connect your custom domain in this free plan. You have 50 CMS items, 50 form submissions, means during the month you can only get 50 submissions from users, not more than that. So there's this limit. Free localization preview means if you want your website a multi-language website, then you can add Webflow's local feature to your website and see if it's working properly or not, right? And if you want to go ahead with it, the premium version, then you have to purchase their plan, and then you can make it live on your website, right? Then 1 GB of bandwidth is like how many users per month and the total data and all those things, right? And then you have the basic plan, $14 per month. If you bill yearly, you have to look at here when you are upgrading your website in your Webflow, right? Monthly or yearly. On monthly it's 18, yearly is $14, right? So you get custom domain here. You can connect your custom domain from GoDaddy or any other, let's say Namecheap or any other services you can add. You get 150 pages, total 150 pages, 0 CMS collections, 0 CMS items. This plan doesn't come up with this CMS. In free plan they do give you, because they want you to test it out, the CMS and everything, right? Then you can then once you are ready to move with your website, want to take it live, then you directly they are pushing you to this one, the CMS plan, because you're already using CMS there, right? That's why. If you don't have requirement of CMS, if you just want a static website, then go with this plan, $14 a month. Then this CMS plan, this is popular. We highly suggest our clients to go with this plan, and it will help them adding CMS items to their pages. 20 CMS collections. So what is collection? Collections are like blogs, team members, categories, authors, tags, and something like those things, right? Those are called collections. And 2000 CMS items. Here you had only 50 CMS items. Here you get 2000 CMS items that you can create the rows. The items are like the row and in the spreadsheet you see, right? The rows are called items here. 1000 form submissions, free localization preview. Here they are not giving the the localization for free. They just giving you the preview, 50 GB bandwidth, and search protection, 3 editors. What is editors? Editors are like, you want someone, let's say SEO expert or the content writer, to invite on your website, and they can add content and optimize your pages as per your requirements for SEO purpose, right? Then you can do that. And site search, if you want to add a search feature on your website, then you have to add this plan. If you still don't want to use these collections, but mostly people use site search when they want these collections and other things, right? Then you have the business plan. This plan is a good, right? But here you can customize it also. You can customize the bandwidth, other things, but it will change, right? Let's say I stick to the the default one, and then you get here the 10 editors, the site search, and form file upload, right? For these features, so many users, so many clients we have, they want file upload feature on Webflow website. But then we have to tell them, okay, then you, for this single feature, we have to ask them to upgrade to this business plan. But what we are doing alternative, the free versions of it are like upload care. I use upload care or Dropbox. I use Zapier and automations, and that we use in the agency to automate the file uploads to the third party providers, right? Then I don't have to upgrade to this plan, because just for the file upload feature, I don't want my client to upgrade to this plan, right? They can stick to this plan. Okay, so here you have 1,000 form submissions, right? I told you. But let's say if you're running ads using Webflow pages, Google ads or Facebook ads, then you want some form submissions in a month. I'm sure it will more than 1,000 form submissions, since you are running ads, right? You are excessively running ads, then you need more form submissions. Then don't upgrade to these plans. Just use Typeform, HubSpot forms, all those forms, integrate them, embed them to your website and use them. Don't upgrade to $39, because let's say if your CRM is HubSpot or any other CRM, they will give you form, or you can use Airtable forms to collect the submissions, and that data will go to Airtable database, right? Directly to Airtable database. Then you don't need this. So I suggest that not to upgrade, but it's up to you. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to this plan, business plan. This is enterprise. Contact us. You can read more here. All these things, the extra security and all that they provide, right? So that was it for these static site plans and the CMS plans. But now let's talk about the e-commerce plans. If you want e-commerce plans, if you want your store to be on Webflow, then you can go with these plans. In this $29, you get all the CMS plans features here. In $20, you are just paying $6 just extra to get a CMS and other things. 2% transaction fee, 2,000 CMS items, and 500 e-commerce products. Let's call it items or products that you can add here, right? 74 per month for plus plan. In that you get 0 transaction fee and all the features of business plan. Remember, we had file upload feature that you get here, right? So for just file upload feature, I don't want to pay Webflow this much of money, right? So it's up to you. Again, I'm saying it's up to you. You can have a look, you can go through it, you can read here for more information. What does it say and not? You can check out here, right? Those were the site plans and e-commerce plans. These plans are for agencies, and I think if you are an individual or let's say a business owner who is just looking to make the website live, then this plan is for you. If this plan is for agencies, for like us, right, where we can build unlimited websites for our clients in a month or in a year, so that we don't have any limitations there. We can add localization and other previews, the premium features that we can get access to, right? But we still don't get access to file upload in the in these agency plans also, right? So that's for the teams and agencies, right? So let's not discuss that here. Frequently asked questions, this Webflow you can go through it, but now let's discuss about the extra pricings they get from you, optional add-ons, right? For optimize is something like, say you want to run A/B test for your website pages. Some pages, let's say for home pages, you want to create 3 home pages and you want to run A/B test for those pages which works best or not, then this plan is for that, right? The cost of that plan is $299 per month and up, right? That's too much, but it's up to you. If you want to go, you get A/B testing, up to 5 concurrent optimization, personalization, audience insights, audience targeting, AI optimize, right? You can get these features like audience targeting. You can target your audience insights, which domain tools they are using, like the devices they are using and where are they coming from and all, and the experience you are getting there, right? They have just these two, 299 month and up, and contact us one where you can follow your customized plans, right? Then we have analyze. If you want to add feature like Google Analytics, then in your Webflow website, then you can choose this plan. Let's look at the cost of that plan is like number of sessions per month. If you have number of sessions per month like 10,000, then they will charge you $29, 25,000, $49, right? These are the add-ons. If you want, you can add them to your website. But what are the alternatives that I have for this one? For this analyze one, I use Google Analytics, I use Lucky Orange, I use Google Search Console. These are free, you can use. Lucky Orange, they have a pricing, but measure of the items are free given by them. But stick to Google Analytics, right? Stick to Google Analytics and you can get all the features that you see in your Google Analytics, right? And Google Search Console. Let's not go with this analyze. If you want, you can go with it. It's up to you. Right? But you can save some bucks, right? Because you already have some premium analytics that you can use rather than Webflows. Then go with that, and you can save like $29 per month, and you can invest those $29 to, let's say, to run something else for your website, right? To get any extra third-party services for your website, like say for CRM or anything that for your website, right? So that was analyze. And then localization. If you want your website to be multi-language website, then this plan will definitely help you. I have alternatives for these ones also. So for plus $99 on top of your plan, let's say you have chose this plan here, $23 per month and plus $9, right? $32 per month. In that you get up to 3 locales, means 3 languages you can add if you're from US and want to do it for, let's say, Mandarin, or you want it for Japanese, and for any third one language that you want to use, you can use this plus $9 per month. Or let's say you want more than 3, then this 29, and then you can contact them for multiple, right? You get location for CMS localization, static page localization, localized SEO, and style localization. Here you have all these localized URLs. Here you get the URLs localized. Otherwise here you will have your existing URLs. Here you get the URLs localized to the particular, you can customize it, the URLs, all of your URLs. Automatic visitor routing. When someone visits your website from, let's say, China or Japan, it will automatically routes your website to that particular language. Style localization, all these machine powered translation, means if you want to add your custom, then you can do custom, or if you want machine powered, then everything will be done by Webflow's algorithms they are using for translating your languages, right? So that's it for this localization that you can use. But let's talk about the free alternatives of the localization. So what I use is like Waglot. I prefer Waglot or Linguana, but more than Linguana, I prefer Waglot, because Waglot is a free and you can use it for certain amount of, let's say, you can use language there, but there are some limitations, but the pricing is also good, right? If you want to go with Webflow, I think plus $9 a month is a good option in this scenario, right? If you need only two languages to translate, then go with Webflow. Don't go with any third party, because here you can save some bucks. $9 per month is good thing to go with here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you need any help with your Webflow or Wix Studio website, do reach out to me or visit my website for more free resources that you can use in your website. Until next time, happy creating.